Welcome. Today we will be creating tables in Microsoft Access using the datasheet view and design view methods. In this video, we assume you have knowledge of how to create a Microsoft Access database file and about key terms used in Microsoft Access and databases in general. We have our database created with no tables created, and we will start with the design view method. So the first step will be to go to the Create tab and then click the table design. Here we can see the following: field name, data type, description. In the field name, we will create the column heading that will be used in our table. In the data type, we will select the data type for each field name. Remember, each data type tells you what kind of information is stored in the field in each field. We will leave out our description. They only tell you a little more information about the field name. We are creating a table for an agent's information table for a TORS database. We will start with our first field, which will be agent's ID. Agent's ID, and we will use auto number as the data type, so we will allow access to automatically generate a number to represent our field, our agent's ID. And the description, if we were going to put one, would be identification of agent. Again, you can write it better than this. Then we move on to our next one, which is name. So we'll put agent name and we'll use short text. We will pause here and enter the remaining names, well, the remaining field names, our column headings. Now all the field names have been entered. We will choose a primary key. So the primary key can be found here. Agent ID will be our primary key as it is unique to each agent. So agent ID will be holding the identification number for each agent in our table. To save, you either click the save icon here on top of the window, or you right click the tab and click save. We will call this our agent information table. Click OK. Something to note: our contact number, we have it as short text. In the field properties, I created a format for our number, so when entering, this is the format you will see for all numbers. So we will see our table by changing the view. So currently we are in the design view, and we will switch to the datasheet view. And as you see, we can enter our information here. So enter in our agent's information. So now we are going to use the datasheet view method. We will duplicate this table, our agent information table, using the same fields, but we'll be creating our table using the datasheet view method. So let's close this. We're going to go to create again, and instead of clicking table design, we're going to click table. Now in front of us we have our blank table already in the data sheet view data sheet view. By default, we have given a primary key which is called ID, and it's called auto number. To rename this field, you are either going to double click the heading, or you can go to name and caption, and change it. So we're going to call it our agent ID. You create your caption and your description. If you want to change the data type, remove the data type, and you can choose a data type that meets your needs, but for now we will be using auto number. To create a new field, you click on the click to add area, which is here. You select your data type, and then you add your field name. So our first field name was agent name, and then you press enter. This will automatically give you the option to repeat what you did. So we will add our second field, which will be agent, it will be contact number, not contact number, and you repeat these steps until you have entered all the fields or columns needed for your table. So we'll pause here. As you can see, all our fields have been added. To save the table, you do the same. You either click the save icon, or you right click the tab and you click save, and we will just call this agent information. And that is how you create a table using both the design view and the datasheet view method. You can edit your data type, your default values, the name of all your fields here, or you can easily go back to the design view and do all the same edits right in front of you here. Thank you very much for viewing this, and we look forward to you viewing more videos from us.